Today we're going to be fitting the Ritchie deck compass to the Mirage 580. You'll need your Ritchie deck compass, your 3/16 stainless nuts and bolts with washers. These not only resist corrosion but are non-magnetic as well. You'll need your 291 Sikaflex, in white of course, your electric drill and drill bit. First, you'll need to run a string line down the centre of your boat. It's imperative that the compass be in line with the keel, as any misalignment here is a constant error on all headings. Next, with your gasket aligned in the centre, drill the two side holes. Next, peel the backing paper off your gasket and stick it to the underside of the compass mount. Holding the two bolts in place from above, reach underneath and apply the nuts and washers. You can ditch the string line now. Next, drill the front and rear holes for a more secure mounting. Because these two bolts were not surrounded by the gasket, I applied some Sikaflex to each. Holding the nuts from underneath with a spanner, carefully tighten each of the 4 bolts. Next, place the compass into the mounting bracket. Lastly, just click the compass bezel into place. And there you have it, your Ritchie deck mount compass securely fixed to your Mirage. I'll leave a link below to where I've got the compass from, and if you like my content, don't forget to hit subscribe and the little bell notification. Bye for now.